Hi kiddos! You must be wondering, what is ma'am doing? Why she is playing with this football? My dear children, before telling you anything, first of all you tell me. You all like to play games? Yes? Okay, good. My dear children, our today's topic is games we play. We all enjoy playing games. But why do we play games? Because games are good for our health. Games help us to keep fit and healthy. Games खेलने में क्या होता है? हम सब fit और healthy रहते हैं. So it is very important to play games. Games help us to sharpen our mind. हमारा mind कैसे sharp होता है? When you people play puzzle games and blocks, then you use your brain. Okay? Sometimes you people think how to make a different house this time with the blocks. And sometimes you people think, how should I solve this puzzle? Isn't it? So, games sharpen our mind. There are two types of games. One is indoor games and the other is outdoor games. Indoor games are the games that are played inside the house. Games बेटा जिनको हम घर के अंदर खेलते हैं उनको हम indoor games कहते हैं. These days you all play indoor games, right? These days so you people are at home, right? So you must be playing indoor games. So can you tell me which games do you play at home? Ludo, chess, carom, puzzle games, blocks. Very good. You all love to play games, right? Children, take out page number 4545 of your GK book. Our today's chapter is Games We Play. We play many games. You all love to play many games, है ना? कौन कौन सी गेम्स खेलते हो आप? हाइड एंड सीक, लूडो, क्रिकेट, यस, कैरम, ओके, वेरी गुड, राइट. सो you all play many games, right? You all love to play games. Playing games is good for our health. We all should play games, right? Why it is important? Because beta, playing games are good for our health. Games खेलना हमारी health के लिए बहुत अच्छा होता है, right? And you know, games keep us fit and healthy. Health के लिए अच्छी तो होती हैं, है ना? Games खेलने से हम fit भी रहते हैं, right? Now these days you people are just playing indoor games, है ना? कहीं बाहर तो हम जा नहीं रहे, तो हम indoor games ही खेल रहे हैं, है ना? So see, here are some indoor games. One is playing with toys. Most of you must be doing this, है ना? आप टॉयज के साथ घर पे आजकल खेल रहे हो ना? मम्मा पापा कितने अच्छे अच्छे टॉयज ला के देते हैं आपको, and you love to play with your toys, right? Snakes and ladders. See, this is snakes and ladders. We can see 1 to 100 numbers in snakes and ladders, and there are so many snakes here, na? And see, here are ladders also, right? You all must have played or you must be playing this game. It's very interesting, isn't it? Ludo. We all play Ludo with a dice. And you can see here 4 players can play at a time. 4 players खेल सकते हैं ना? और देखो प्लेयर्स के कलर भी अलग अलग हैं, रेड, ब्लू, येलो एंड ग्रीन, राइट? खेलते हो आप ये वाली? इट्स अ वेरी इंटरेस्टिंग गेम, इजंट इट? देन इज कैरम. नाउ कैरम इज माय फेवरेट गेम. व्हाट अबाउट यू? आपको कैरम अच्छा लगता है? ओके, सो हियर इज अ स्ट्राइकर,
है ना, हम स्ट्राइकर यूज करते हैं, हम स्ट्राइकर के साथ प्ले करते हैं, राइट। एंड विद द स्ट्राइकर वी कैन सी सम स्मॉल डिस्क्स ऑफ वुड, जिसको कि हम गीटियां बोलते हो आप, है ना। ये कौन से कलर की होती हैं? ब्लैक एंड वाइट। और एक पिंक कलर की होती है, जिसको आप क्या बोलते हो? क्वीन, राइट। ओके, now let me show you all the indoor games in detail. Indoor games. Chess. Chess is a board game played by 2 players. बेटा chess को 2 players खेलते हैं and there are 64 squares on the chess board. Ludo. Ludo is played with dice. आप सब खेलते हो लूडो? अच्छी लगती है आपको लूडो खेलनी? लूडो किसके साथ खेलते हैं? डाइस के साथ। Snakes and ladders. It is a board game played by 2 or more players. Snakes and ladders जिसको आप सांप सीढ़ी भी कहते हो, है ना। Snooker. Snooker is played with 22 balls. आपको पता है कि जब आप स्नूकर खेलते हो तो टेबल पे 22 बॉल्स होती हैं। Have you ever seen? Table tennis. It is played by 2 or 4 players with small rackets. बेटा टेबल टेनिस को स्मॉल रैकेट्स के साथ खेला जाता है। कैरम. कैरम इज प्लेड by using striker. आप सब खेलते हो कैरम, राइट?
Now children, write down date and day and write down the heading of page 45. Now beta, write down here question number 1. Name, N-A-M-E, name 4. Indoor, I-N-D-O-O-R, indoor. Games, G-A-M-E-S, games. Name 4 indoor games. Now write down here A1, that is answer. Number 1 is Ludo. Capital L U D O, Ludo. L-U-D-O, Ludo. Number 2, chess. C-H-E-S-S, chess. C-H-E-S-S, chess. Number 3, carom. Capital C-A-R-R-O-M, carom. C-A-R-R-O-M, carom. Number 4, playing cards. Capital P-L-A-Y-I-N-G, playing cards. Here C will be small. Okay beta? C-A-R-D-S, cards. Playing cards. Now बच्चे, let us revise. Now let's read the question. Name 4 indoor games. Ludo, L-U-D-O, Ludo. Chess, C-H-E-S-S, chess. Carom, C-A-R-R-O-M, carom. Playing cards, P-L-A-Y-I-N-G, playing cards. C-A-R-D-S, cards. Now outdoor games. Outdoor games क्या होती हैं? Outdoor games are the games that are played outside the house. बेटे आउटडोर गेम्स वो गेम्स होती हैं जो घर के बाहर खेली जाती हैं। आपको पता है घर के बाहर क्यों खेली जाती हैं? इसलिए खेली जाती हैं because it requires a large play area. जो आउटडोर गेम्स हैं बेटे, उनको खेलने के लिए हमें ज्यादा जगह की जरूरत पड़ती है. जैसे आपने देखा होगा कि क्रिकेट, हॉकी, है ना, फुटबॉल, ये कहाँ खेले जाते हैं? प्लेग्राउंड में खेले जाते हैं, है ना, क्योंकि ज्यादा जगह चाहिए होती है. और हॉकी में, फुटबॉल में, क्रिकेट में तो प्रॉपर टीम भी होती है, कितने सारे बच्चे खेलते हैं, है ना, तो स्पेस भी ज्यादा चाहिए होती है. ओके, आउटडोर गेम्स ऑल्सो हेल्प्स अस टू रिमेन फिट एंड healthy.
Now beta, this is page number 4646 and here we have outdoor games. This is cricket, this is football, this is hockey and this is badminton. Now come with me, I will show you all the outdoor games with their details. Now outdoor games. Cricket. Cricket is a game that is played using bat and ball. It is a very famous sport. You all like it? Hockey. Hockey is a team sport that is played in the field. Hockey बेटा field में खेली जाती है और two teams के बीच में खेली जाती है. Football. Football is also played between two teams using football. Players hit the ball using their foot. आपने देखा कभी टीवी में कैसे खेलते हैं फुटबॉल? वॉलीबॉल. इट इज प्लेड बाय टू टीम्स एंड इट इज अ फन स्पोर्ट. टेनिस. टेनिस इज प्लेड इन द कोर्ट. कोर्ट वो जगह होती है बेटे जहां पे टेनिस खेला जाता है एंड इट इज प्लेड बाय टू प्लेयर्स. देन इज बैडमिंटन. बैडमिंटन इज अ गेम विच इज प्लेड विद रैकेट एंड शटलकॉक. बैडमिंटन बेटा रैकेट और शटलकॉक के साथ खेला जाता है.
Yes बेटा. Now every one of you write down date and day and write down the heading of page 46. So let us start. Write down here question 1. Name, N-A-M-E, name 4 outdoor games. O-U-T-D-O-O-R, outdoor games. G-A-M-E-S, games. Name 4 outdoor games. Outdoor games अभी मैम ने बताया कौन सी होती हैं? जो हम घर के बाहर खेलते हैं. So write down here A1. Now write down here cricket. Capital C R I C K E T, cricket. C R I C K E T, cricket. Football. Capital F O O T B A L L, ball. F O O T B A L L, football. Number 3, hockey. H O C K E Y, hockey. H O C K E Y, hockey. Now number 4 is badminton. Capital B A D M I N T O N, badminton. B A D M I N T O N, badminton. Now children, let us revise once more. Name 4 outdoor games. Cricket. C R I C K E T, cricket. Football. F O O T B A L L, football. hockey. H-O-C-K-E-Y, hockey. Badminton, B-A-D-M-I-N-T-O-N, badminton.